issued a tornado warning for southeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, eastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, Bell County, central Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and destructive straight-line winds over 80 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from near Ashton to 6 miles northeast of Sublette to near Mendota, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, 80 miles per hour winds, and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Rochelle, Hillcrest, and Paw Paw around 7:25 p.m. Shaboona around 7:30 p.m. Waterman and Malta around 7:35 p.m. DeKalb, Sandwich, Cortland, Silmanock, and Kirkland around 7:40 p.m. Sycamore, Genoa, Hinckley, Maple Park, and Kingston around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Compton, Creston, West Brooklyn, Lee, Kings, Stewart, Chan, and Lindenwood. This includes Northern Illinois University and Sandwich Fairgrounds. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 108. Interstate 88 between mile markers 65 and 101. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.